Welcome to the Tiger Quiz. Today's challenge, Guess the Car Quiz 2024. Can you name the car from a close-up? Here's
an
an
easy
20
one.
questions and
Can you
8
recognize
seconds
this
per
question?
premium SUV. Don't forget to subscribe.
Jaguar E-Pace.
Let's go. Porsche Cayenne or Mercedes GLA? The answer actually is Jaguar E-Pace. Question 2. Do you recognize this new saloon? MGHS Genesis, G80, or Audi A7? The answer actually is Genesis G80. Do you recognize this new saloon? Hyundai Santa Fe, Kia Sorento, or Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV? Mitsubishi Outlander, PHEV. Question 4. Now for a compact SUV. Ford Puma, Porsche Macan, or Nissan Juke? The answer actually is Ford Puma. Question 5. Can you guess what German hatchback this is? Mercedes A-Class, Audi, a 3 Sportback, or BMW 1 Series? Audi A3 Sportback. Question 6. How about this one? Renault Zoe, DS3, or Nissan Micros? The answer actually is Renault Zoe. Question 7. Which Hyundai is this? Orange name. Hyundai i10, Hyundai Ioniq, or Hyundai Kona? Hyundai Kona. Question 8. What hatchback is this? Epos Gas, Ford Focus, Mazda 2, or Nissan Micra? The answer is Mazda 2. Can you recognize this premium saloon? 80s. Jaguar, XE BMW 3 Series, or Mercedes E-Class? The answer actually is Jaguar XE. Question 10. What SUV is this? Yasur, Land Rover Discovery Sport, Jeep Compass, or Kia Sorento? Question 11. What Ford model is this? Puma Kuga or Fiesta ST? The answer is Fiesta ST. Question 12. Do you recognize this Maserati? Uyma, Ghibli Levante, or Quattroporte? The answer is Ghibli. Question 13. Time for another SUV. Range Rover, Evoque, or Defender? Range Rover. What new hybrid super mini this is? Mini hatchback, Fiat 500, or Renault Twingo? Fiat 500. Question 15. How about this Skoda model? Or Octavia, Conique, or Superb? Octavia. Question 16. Can you recognize this Volvo? XC40, XC90, or XC60? The answer actually is XC40. Which Volkswagen model is this? Nia, Arteon, Golf, or T-Rox? The answer actually is Golf. What is this hatchback? Vauxhall Corsa, Vauxhall Astra, or Vauxhall Atom? Vauxhall Corsa. Do you think you can recognize what BMW series this is? Why me? BMW 6 Series, BMW 3 Series, or BMW 8 Series? BMW 8 Series. Question 20. Time for another SUV. Dacia Duster, Mini Countryman, or Jeep Renegade? The answer actually is Dacia Duster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your like. See you in the next video.